If you have an activated Advidesk, the first thing you need to do is go to School Setup, then click Edit School Information. Please take note that you can only edit your school information if you have availed a license from Automated Forms for Teachers. Once you're in the School Information section, you will see the different details that you need to provide. Make sure that all the information you enter is correct because Advidesk will automatically use these details in the different school forms available in the app. Everything here is pretty much self-explanatory. Simply enter your school information, such as the region, division, school ID, school address, and other required details. Of course, don't forget to enter the name of your school head, as well as your name. For the school logo, simply click the Upload button, then locate and select the school logo that you have saved on your computer. Do the same thing for the DepEd logo. Click the Upload button and select the appropriate DepEd logo from your computer. Once you have completed all the required information, take a moment to check that everything is correct. If everything is set, click Save Information. And that's it. Your school information is now saved. The information you entered here will automatically be reflected in the different forms inside Advidesk, so you won't have to enter the same details again and again. That's all for setting up your school information. In our next tutorial, we will learn how to input student information in Advidesk. See you in the next tutorial.